Hi, it's Casey with Faith by Works Crochet, and today I wanted to share with you some patterns that I have been working on. These are my Easter creations. They are super cute. It's a little Easter bunny and an Easter chick. These are very cute. I added felt to them to make them super cute. These are beginner friendly. They're super simple. I did make yarn eyes on these because I'm going to gift these to my grandson who's just a toddler, but you totally could add safety eyes to these if you wanted to. So be looking for this written pattern to hit my to-do page and also my Etsy shop. I'll put the links down in the description below. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss when these go live so that you can start creating these for your little Easter gifts. I hope that you will enjoy this pattern and making these as much as I did. These are very customizable if you want to change the color. I did blue on this one for a boy. You could do yellow, you could do pink. On this one, you could change the hair color, you could change the felt colors to make them your own unique little Easter gifts. These will be so much fun to gift to your friends and family. So I hope that you will enjoy these. Make sure that you subscribe so that you will not miss when these become available. Be looking for these in the very near future. Until next time, happy crocheting.